Hey guys, what's up? My name is Giuseppe. Thank you for joining me today. And yeah, what I do is I get uncomfortable with AI so that way you don't have to. Oh, I've been seeing a lot of ads recently around getting email set up and email management, and there is an easy way to do this with agentic coding. There's an easy way to work around this, and I have the tools for you. If you stay to the end, and you type in a special password as a comment, you will be sent this personally. You'll be sent the entire thing that I'm about to do here. I want to show you guys how easy it's going to be for you um, to do your emails by yourself and set them up, because I was able to set up a bunch of automatic emails and it was super easy. So it's just called Resend. It's email for developers. Don't be intimidated. You do not have to be a developer to use this. It's actually super simple. The idea is that you can come over here, plug in the research, plug in the documentation, all this kind of like doc stuff, whatever you need, getting started, figure out what you're on, and plug that into here with some of your information, and you can get this going. Like, can I snap? There, you can get it going like that. Really easy. So yeah, what we're going to do is we are going to set up some agents. We're going to give Claude the tools to do this, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's done. I have already set this up, and I'm sending out automated emails when people sign up for the SaaS that I built. A lot of this was actually built on Stream. You can see here this giant footer that just does a ton for SEO. All the different pages, over 50 pages, and different payment plans that were all set up. And yeah, you can sign in here, you get your own access code. And if you forgot your code, you put in your email address, it'll send it directly to you. Yeah, if you're curious, sign up, give it a try. If you know anybody, any of your friends who are in the painting community, send it their way. Yeah, what we're going to do is I'm going to add a pop-up on here, and that is going to send me an automatic email. I asked it to go through and I asked it to create a giant prompt so that way I can hand it off to you and you can use the exact same research, implementation guide, deployment checklist, everything that you need to get this going. Now, with just this prompt, we're going to set it up. And we're gonna go ultra think just to make sure that it's putting in extra work. Accept it. So what we did here, just so everyone's kind of like on the same page, is the first agent we made. Actually, we'll just go through it together. Okay. We have a scout agent. This is the research specialist. Okay. This one is only there to collect research. So it collects research, comprehensive research. Pop-up timing, design, content offering, email sequences, and copywriting. It's going to use all of these. Its output is going to be with that. That's great. Second, strategic analysis. Same thing. It has tools. It has an output, right? This is an output. This is an output. 3, purpose, build everything. Serena symbolic toolkit, which if you've been around, you know that I use Serena. It's happening right now. And coordinate all 3 phases with progress. So the only thing it's missing here is I want to make sure that it's using Gina AI as well. So, all right. So now that we've made sure that it has all the tools it needs, let's launch it and let's see what happens. Okay. Here's the next step. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've teleported. I've kind of time traveled. Last night, it was getting a little late. It was about like 12:30 when I was kind of getting, or 11:30 when I was getting into this. And yeah, I was waiting for the agents to finish up and I couldn't do it. But I'm back now. So we're just going to talk through kind of these last steps now. One of the things I needed to do was I needed to add a environment variable to Vercel. Now it was called cron secret, but it's just a Vercel environment variable. It was pretty easy to do. And now the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm just going to add this code straight up to my SQL editor inside Supabase. I'm just saying, hey, can you print this code within the chat so I can copy and paste it? I'm going to give it the SQL. And here we have it. So this is, as you can see over here, this is my backend of Vercel. This is all of the different like API keys and authority links that I need to make sure that all of this is running and it's connected to, it's able to run everything for all the tools that are in the back end of this SaaS. But what I'm showing you here is in order to get the last part of this newsletter active, we need to link the newsletter to the actual tools that are running it and to Supabase. So this is how we're going to make that connection. We've added the cron secret, which is the cron is a tool that is managing those newsletters. So we've created that within the SaaS, and now we're going to take that same SaaS secret, and now we're going to make sure that it has a home base within we're going to make sure that it has a home base within Supabase. So to do that, we grab this here. It's an SQL. You can see what it's doing. I'll give you a little idea here. A function, get subscribers ready for the next welcome email, right? Create or replace function. Email 1, immediate. Email 2, day 3. Email 3, day 7. So it has this all there. And we're just going to grab this whole thing. It is quite large. End of migration 18. Copy it. Come over here. This is within the SQ editor here. Control all, paste, run it. So we got a failure. I'm going to copy that failure. I'm going to say, this is the failure I got from the Supabase SQL editor. I spelled failure wrong. Please don't judge me. Okay, so all it's saying here is that it was parsing the comment lines, which is not good. So, okay, so that was a silly mistake on my part. All that happened was I was copying too much of the output. So I accidentally copied this insight and what was changed because it looked like proper code, but it wasn't. I was only supposed to start here. And because of that, we now have this rolling, which is great. And so now that's been failed. So we're going to come in here. We're going to say, hey, Supabase is working. Let's go. Okay, so we're through this. I want to show you what we've come to and how it looks. So we're going to go to the paintquoteapp.com. And, you know, we're here. We're a random visitor. It's as if we are completely random. And here it is. Stop wasting hours on estimates. Get weekly profit tips. And then you can send in your email right here. sep@zeoadvertising.com. Send me weekly tips. Subscribing. You're subscribed. You can see. And that's it. Now we have this. I'm super pumped on it. I think that's amazing. So that's it. I mean, from there, it's just a matter of honing in the emails. And for that, I will go through it at a future date. I do feel like this has been a bit of a long thing. If you want this entire prompt, first of all, thank you for watching to the very end. You are an absolute legend. You are the best. You're the reason I'm here. I hope you're making some real money out there and using this to make some money for yourself and your loved ones. The code is going to be email template. Just type in email template and I will send you this entire template, the entire prompt, so you can literally plug and play this to your own needs and your own desires, and you can do whatever you want with it. It's yours for free. Thank you for watching the end. Just type in email template and you will get the template sent directly to you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.